Problem number 11. The nominal interest rate is 4%. How much is my 10,000 pesos worth in 10 years in a continuously compounded account? Una, kunin natin yung given. May nabanggit na meron tayong nominal interest rate which is 4% or 0.04. Tapos meron tayong principal na 10,000 pesos. Yun daw. Tapos sa loob ng 10 years. Editin natin yung 10 years. Ngayon, ang hinahanap daw is yung future worth ng 10,000 sa loob daw ng 10 taon na mayroong 4% interest, nominal interest rate. Tapos, inilagay daw niya to sa may isang continuously compounded account. So, yung hinahanap natin is F. Sa may continuous compound, meron tayong formula na F is equal to P e raised to RT. Ngayon, para na makuha natin yung future worth na hinahanap, i-substitute na lang natin yung mga given na to sa formula. Yung F is equal to P, which is 10,000 pesos. Tapos, E raised to R, 0.04 times T, 10. Ngayon, makukuha natin sagot, 10,000 raised to makukuha natin sagot is 14,918.246 pesos. Tapos kung i-round off natin siya, F is equal to 14,918.25 pesos. So sa choices siya is letter C. Question number 12. How much must be invested on January 1, year 1 in order to accumulate 2,000 pesos on January 1, year 6 at 6%? Sulat natin yung given. May given tayo na 2,000 pesos. Yung 2,000 pesos natin na yun is yung future worth because yun daw yung naipon kasi. Tapos, meron tayong J or yung interest na 6% or 0.06. Tapos, yung magiging T naman natin is from year 1 to year 6 daw. So, pag binilang mo yun, 5 years yung T natin. Meron naman tayong M, yung number ng compound ay na equal siya 1 kasi yearly or annual lang siya. Tapos, meron tayong I na J over M is equal to 0.06 over 1. Tapos, yung N natin is equal to T times M is equal to 5 times 1. 5 siya. Ngayon, ang hinahanap dito is how much must be invested. Magkano daw yung i-invest niya nung January 1 para makakuha daw ng or makaipon ng 2,000 pesos on January 1, year 6 na mayroong 6%. Di ang hinahanap dito is yung present worth. Sa may compound interest natin, meron tayong formula ng para makuha yung P. Ito yung P is equal to F over 1 plus I. Ngayon, para makuha natin yung value ng P, i-substitute lang natin yung mga given dun sa formula. The P is equal to 2,000 pesos over 1 plus I 0.06 raised to 5. 2,000 over 1 plus 0.06 raised to 5. Ang magiging present worth na natin is 1,494.5. Di kung yung present worth na natin na final is 1,495 na. Letter dito sa pamimilian is letter C siya. Problem number 13. If 5,000 pesos shall accumulate for 10 years at 8% compounded quarterly, find the compounded interest at the end of 10 years. Una, given. May given tayo na 5,000 pesos. So, yun yung principal natin. Tapos, yung T natin is equal to 10 years. Tapos yung J natin, yung interest daw is 8% compounded quarterly. Compounded quarterly, di yung M natin ngayon, kasi sa may compound interest, meron tayong number of compound. So, sinabi quarterly, di yung M natin is equal to 4. Tapos, yung N naman natin is magiging T times M, which is 10 times 4 equals to 40. Yung I natin magiging J over M, 0.08 over 4. Ngayon, yung hinahanap dito is yung interest. Yung formula ng interest is ito. I is equal to F minus P. Pero dito sa may given natin, wala tayong F. Kaya yung future worth, kaya muna yun yung hahanapin natin. Tapos sa may compound interest naman, yung future worth, meron siyang formula na F is equal to P, 1 plus I raised to N. Ngayon, isa-substitute muna natin yung mga given para makuha natin yung F. F is equal to P, 5,000 pesos. 1 plus I. Yung I natin, 0.08 over 4 raised to 40. Yung magiging yung future worth niya na is 11,040.20. Ito ngayon yung present worth. Then makukuha na natin ngayon yung interest, yung compounded interest at the end of 10 years. Yung future worth 11,040.20 minus yung principal na 5,000 pesos. So, makukuha natin ngayon 6,040.20. Yun na yung I natin. Yung interest ng 5,000 sa loob ng 10 years. So, letter B. Problem number 14. A sum of 1,000 pesos is invested now and left for 8 years, at which time the principal is withdrawn. The interest that has accrued is left for another 8 years. If the effective annual interest rate is 5%, what will be the withdrawal amount at the end of the 16th year? So, una, isulat natin ulit yung mga given. May given na 1,000 pesos. So, yung 1,000 pesos daw na yun is in-invest. So, yun yung present natin o principal. Tapos, left for 8 years. T is equal to 8 years. Tapos, meron tayong effective annual interest rate na 5% or 0.05. Tapos, yung M natin is equal to 1. Bakit 1? Kasi annual daw. Yung I natin, J over M. So, 1 naman siya, de 0.05 na rin siya. Tapos, yung N natin is equal to T times M. 8 times 1, de 8 na siya. Ngayon, anin natin kung ano yung mga hinahanap talaga. Sabi, yung 1,000 daw, in-invest and left for 8 years. Tapos, which time the principal is withdrawn. So, meron tayong given na present. So, kunin natin muna yung future. Bakit? Kasi, yung winidraw daw niya yung principal. So, ima-minus natin yun para makuha natin yung interest. De, yung F muna. Sa compound interest, meron tayong formula na para makuha yung future is P 1 plus I raised to N. Solution natin ngayon. Sa substitute na lang natin yung mga value na yun. Yung P is equal to 1,000 pesos. 1 plus I 0.05 raised to N. Makukuha natin ngayon is 1,000 times 1 plus 0.05 raised to 8. 1,477.5. Yun ngayon yung future natin. So, kunin na natin ngayon yung interest niya. Yung interest naman is katulad nung kanina is equal to F minus P. Kaya i-minus natin yung P kasi i-withdraw daw niya. The I is equal to F. Na-compute natin na 1,477.5 minus 1,000 pesos. So, yung I natin ngayon is equal to 477.5 pesos. So, nakuha natin yung interest. The interest daw has accrued is left for another 8 years. If effective annual interest rate is 5%, what will be the withdrawal amount at the end of the 16th year? So, yung interest natin na to, gagawin natin ngayon siyang principal para makuha natin yung withdrawal amount at the end of 16th year. Depi natin ngayon siya. 477.5 pesos. So, para makuha natin ngayon ulit yung withdrawal amount, yung withdrawal amount is future yun, di ba? Ito ulit na formula yung gagamitin natin. Pero yung nakuha nating interest, magiging P na siya. F is equal to P, ulitin natin yung formula, raised to N. F is equal to, ito na ngayon yung gagamitin nating P, 477.5 pesos times 1 plus I hindi pa rin magbabago yung I raised to n. For, sinabi naman dito na for another 8 years. So, 8 pa din siya. Yung magiging withdrawal amount niya at the end of magiging withdrawal amount daw niya is 705.5 pesos. So, ang magiging withdrawal amount niya at the end of the 16th year is 706 pesos. Letter A siya. Problem number 15. It is the practice of almost all banks in the Philippines that when they grant a loan, the interest for 1 year is automatically deducted from the principal amount upon release of money to a borrower. Let us therefore assume that you applied for a loan with bank and the 80,000 pesos was approved at an interest rate of 14%, of which 11,200 pesos was deducted, and you were given a check of 68,800 pesos. Since you have to pay the amount of 80,000 pesos 1 year after, what then will be the effective interest rate? So, una, sulat natin yung mga given. May given tayo na 80,000 pesos. Siya yung future natin kasi yun yung halaga ng uutangin mo na na-approve na may interest rate daw na 14% or 0.14. Tapos, which 11,200 pesos was deducted. So, dito daw sa Pilipinas, yung the interest for 1 year is automatically deducted. So, yung interest natin is 11,200 pesos and given a check of 68,800 pesos. Yun na ngayon yung magiging present worth mo. Yun yung kasi na yung makukuha mo. You have to pay the amount of 80,000 pesos 1 year after. So, sa loob lang, 1 year after. Pagkatapos daw ng 1 taon, yung N natin is equal to 1. Ngayon, kukunin natin yung effective interest rate. So, may formula tayo na F is equal to P1 plus Rn. Makukuha na natin ngayon yung R na hinahanap. Hindi kasi ito yung hinahanap, hindi ito yung ginamit na ito yung interest rate percent, pero hahanapin natin ngayon yung effective interest rate. Ngayon, isa-substitute lang natin yung mga given dito sa formula. F is equal to P times 1 plus Rn. F natin is 80,000 pesos is equal to P. P natin is 68,800 pesos multiply by 1 plus natin yung R times N. Times N is which is 1. Ngayon, yung R natin is magiging equal to 0.1628. So, yung percent natin ngayon is 16.28%. Yun yung effective interest rate pag babayaran mo na yung inutang mong 80,000 pesos. Dito sa choices, letter C siya.